Hey everyone, it's Junaid from MENINFLUENCER, and in this video I want to use the Forte series products. So I'm going to use the Forte series Pomade and the Forte series Argan oil. So first things first, I'm going to start using the Argan oil. So it says hydrating Argan oil, daily hair serum. So first things first, let me open it up. There we go. Because basically all I'm going to do is style my hair, and when it comes to this bottle it says 75 milliliters. But I know you don't need to use a lot. So let me quickly get a little bit out. There we go. And let me quickly show you guys how much I've used, so you guys have a better understanding of how much you need to use yourself as well. Because you don't need to use quite a lot, you know. So let me just make sure it gets distributed evenly. And now I'm gonna apply it in my hair. So I start deep inside of my roots, and then I go all the way to the back. So I'll do it again and again until I've really nourished my hair when it comes to using this hydrating argan oil. Because there's a lot of benefits whilst using argan oil, and that's the main reason I'm going to start off by using this argan oil. So let me make sure it's all distributed. There we go. Yeah, so far so good. So obviously only with the argan oil you already can kind of style your hair. So it's a really good pre-style, especially this one from Forte series. Because usually when it comes to other argan oils, they can be too oily. Whilst when it comes to this one, that's not the case at all. But okay, cool. I've applied the argan oil. And the next product I'm going to use is going to be this Forte series pomade. So yeah, okay, there we go. So you can see how it looks like. Let me open it up. There we go. And when it comes to this pomade, in my opinion, I've actually used quite a lot of pomades, and this is definitely in the top 3 pomades that I've used so far. So let me open it up. So I've obviously already been through a couple of these bottles, and yeah, this is quite a new one. So let me scoop out a little bit. So I don't need to use that much of it. So depending on what kind of lifestyle you live, how long you need the pomade to last, that really indicates how much you need to use. But I know I don't need it to last for a very long period of time, so I'm only going to use a little bit. So let me emulsify my hands first. Because obviously if you know you're going to sweat, or if you know you have a long day and you have to do stuff, and you're in situations where your hair can get like out of shape or maybe messy, and that's not something that you're looking for, obviously apply more. But I know that's not the case for me today. So yeah, I've basically applied it in my hands, and now it's time for me to apply it in my hair. So once again, starting at the roots, and then I'm taking it all the way to the back. That's literally all I am doing. Obviously depending on the hairstyle you've got, you have to do it differently, but this is how I am doing it. So let me do it a few more times. There we go. And you can see I'm also creating volume this way. Because if I would just apply it in one certain spot, it's different than if I'm using my fingers whilst doing this. So there we go. That's pretty much it. And as you can see, I've applied it to my hair. It almost looks like I've barely used any sort of product, and I've still managed to style my hair. And that's literally what I'm actually trying to do. I'm creating the illusion of having quite flawless, good looking hair without coming across as if I've actually applied a lot of product. Because that's kind of the trend these days. Back in the day, like I'm talking about 10 years ago, people used to apply a lot of gel, and that was literally what was trendy. Whilst nowadays it's more about like the effortless look. You're someone that has applied products in your hair, but it doesn't really look like you've put in the effort. That's kind of the look you should be going for. But okay, basically, so I've used these 2 products. So let me zoom in a little bit. Well, there we go. Yes, we got it. So I've used these 2 products, and if you want to check them out for yourself, I will have them linked down below with a special discount code, and this way you get yourself a little discount. Because when it comes to the Forte series products, I personally really like them, and this was a quick tutorial on how you can use these products for yourself. If you have any sort of questions, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.